Want to become part of your favorite company? Want to become a shareholder of a company and earn considerably as the company grows? Hello everyone. Today let's plunge into a very important topic, the stock exchanges. These are places where all the buying and selling of financial assets like stocks, shares and bonds take place. Let's take a deep dive and uncover why they're crucial in finance. To get started, let's get clear on what exactly a stock exchange is. It is a regulated marketplace where stocks, bonds, and other securities are traded. It's like a giant marketplace where investors and companies meet. Here, companies can raise funds by offering shares to the public, and investors can buy or sell those shares in a fair and organized manner. Now, here is the question: how do stock exchanges facilitate trading? These exchanges create an environment where buyers and sellers can connect. For instance, you might want to buy a share of your favorite company and someone else is ready to sell. Stock exchange helps you meet at a fair price that's determined by supply and demand. This structure ensures the market runs smoothly. One of the key reasons companies list themselves on the stock exchange is to raise capital. Let's say a company wants to expand or launch a new product, but they need funds. Through an initial public offering, also known as an IPO, the company can offer shares to the public. Investors buy these shares, giving the company the cash it needs for growth. It's a win-win because the company gets the funds and investors get a piece of the company's future. Another key function is providing liquidity. This means stock exchanges make it easy for you to buy or sell your investments. Imagine you've bought shares in a company, but now you need cash. With the liquidity function of the stock exchange, you can quickly sell your shares and turn them into cash. It's like knowing there's always someone ready to trade with you. Coming to the next function offers transparency and regulation. Stock exchanges are strictly regulated by government authorities to ensure that everything runs fairly. This means companies must disclose vital financial information so investors know exactly what they're getting into. It also protects investors from fraud or unethical practices, ensuring a safe environment for trading. Stock exchanges play a vital role in determining a company's value. When a company's shares are traded, the market price helps reflect its true value. So, if investors think a company is performing well, the share price goes up, and if not, it drops. This market valuation helps investors scale a company's worth and provide the company with an understanding of its market standing. There are several well-known stock exchanges worldwide, each playing a crucial role in its region. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE in the United States, the London Stock Exchange, LSE in the UK, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE in Japan, the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE in India are the global hubs for financial activity. So, before I wrap up, stock exchanges are fundamental to the global economy. They provide a space for companies to raise capital, allow investors to trade securities with ease, and ensure that markets run transparently and efficiently. Stock exchanges help connect you to opportunities and growth, no matter whether you are an investor or a business owner. If you are a beginner or an investor wishing to spread your wings into the stock market, acquiring commerce professional qualifications like CA, ACCA, CMA India, CMA US, and Company Secretary will help you achieve your goals. The Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya is the world's best commerce professional program provider. Enroll today and establish your stand in strong markets. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, this gives you a very clear understanding of why stock exchanges are so important. See you next time. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such insightful videos.